How many people complained about your prices in a given month? How many people tried to do this in a given month? When you actually do the measuring and look at it, it's about 2%. And we don't want to run our business on 2% of people approaching us that way. So I can buy a part for $100 as a shop, but based on my relationship with the supplier, for $100, right? And then I'm going to charge, let's say I charge 175 for that part. That would be what my matrix tells me, or maybe that's what suggested list is from that supplier. I prefer to use a matrix than the list. And then that same supplier then sells that part over the counter and or online for say 135, right? And I might even have the name of that brand in my company name. Like I might be I don't want to bring in brands here, but I'm part of a brand that's part of that parts company, but I'm a shop, right? So then I get accused of cheating because, well, I can get it at the store for this price and you're charging me this much more. That's another thing that the consumer brings in, why they want to bring their own part is, well, you know, you're affiliated with this brand and you're charging me 175, and I go to their store and buy it for 135 or from their website. What's the difference? Well, one of the things that I train service advisors to say is, yeah, I know that. And the customer's like, yeah, that's the do-it-yourself price, sir.
Right.